This is Santosh, a grassroots BJP worker and a common man from Bangalore. I thought it is in need of the art to share my thoughts being a common man. Our top leader and beloved Prime Minister Mr. Modi is going great guns. Undoubtedly, he has got the positive vibes for every Indian today. But he's making the real difference is what the question in every Indian today. Sir, I would like to bring to your notice about the perception of common Indian, though I belong to BJP party. Sir, you have introduced amazing schemes for welfare of every section of the society, but reality check is the question mark. The moment you signed in the office as PM of India, you addressed the Jammu and Kashmir floods. Your office released 1,000 crores, but is it really used with 1,000 crores? Jammu and Kashmir would be mini Switzerland. Similarly, you have released a big bang package for Bihar. With that kind of package, we can turn Bihar into mini Singapore. Is this really going to happen? Please do reality check, sir. Sir, we see you as a great hope. We see you as a man who can protect and empower us in every aspect of our lives. There is a lot of hope from you, sir. But certainly there are doubts too. Sir, you have been great doing job by building good image for India across globe. You are starving hard to attract the foreign investments, liberalizing the reforms, but somewhere something is seriously missing. You have been allocated substantial budgets for various sectors. In fact, earlier governments and leaders did it too, but none of them have done reality check. The government is not just about allocating budget. The governance is about to ensuring the maximum utilization of the budget and improvements in the respective sectors. That's where people feel the change at the grassroots level. Today you have made the stop for corruption. We appreciate you. But is every one of you in your party following this? Today, our government hospitals, government schools are in the same condition. How is it to be since you have come into power? Where is the government's? Sir, you need to do reality check of every development internally, irrespective of your ministers. People of India wanted to see you as a role model, as modern Vivekananda, and you have that energy to mandate. Sir, please make the difference. The development of our nation is very well connected with our cultures, our diversified society. There are few bad elements try to strike you, but you honestly, there is a fear in terms of integrity of the nation within us. The intolerance is still the question mark again. I request you to bring a theme of One India and United India. One India and United India, where in every Indian, irrespective of caste, religion, status, sex, should pledge that every one of us live in harmony. This has to be mandatory exercise in every organization in India. like government schools, public and private institutions, villages. And this event has to be launched in every corner of the village by the respective leaders by bringing in difference. And in different religion, people on one platform. Today, there is connectivity to the farmers. Is there any connectivity to farmers? No. We do not have the connectivity to the farmers at all, sir. Though you have been conveying the massive Man Ki Baat, our local leaders should get connected with them on regular basis. Farmers are the backbone of our nation. We shouldn't get to the situation where we import rice. Please don't ignore agriculture. Honestly, it has been ignored, sir. Implementation of schemes in reality is very important. Sir, unlike the other leaders, we wish you to bring and show us the great humanity nature of yours by setting up an example in every aspect of the nation, whether in politics, policies, economic reforms, development initiatives, cultures. We wanted to tell our children and grandchildren we had a great leader like Gandhi in our times who made India proud. Hope you make the change and make India a proud nation. Make every Indian proud and create a history under your dynamic leadership. Hope for Modi for new, modern and emerging India. Will he make or break it? We have a hope, sir. You will make it. Jai Hind. Thank you, sir.